planning of the Bullitt sort of gave it away. The return of a special edition, Elite Mustang Bullitt goes ahead the 50th commemoration of the Steve McQueen motion picture that made the Green Machine so popular. The 1968 motion picture Bullitt highlights one of Silver Screen's best auto pursuits featuring McQueen's Highland Green Mustang GT 390 Fastback. The limited edition 2019 Mustang Bullitt will be accessible this late spring with a retuned 5.0-liter V8 motor producing 475 horsepower, 15 more than the GT, and 420 pounds-to-foot of torque, and tops out at 163 miles per hour. It has a manual transmission and white signal ball move handle. It was additionally tuned for an unmistakable fumes note through the new tips. The additional power comes on account of the GT 350's bigger, more liberated streaming admission complex, its greater, 87mm versus 80mm, throttle body, and an open airbox, required due to the distinctions in the Bullitt and GT 350 hoods. The Resurrection comes in Highland Green with some chrome emphasizes, however it will likewise be accessible in dark. There is a 12-inch advanced LCD instrument group that respects the driver in a green text style, and accessible Returo dark calfskin trim seats with green sewing. The frame uses every one of the components of the Mustang's Performance Package 1, including the front air splitter. Execution Pack 2 is probably going to be offered as an alternative. Portage refreshed the Mustang lineup for the 2018 model year and scored 81.866 deals a year ago. While that was down 22.7% from the earlier year, regardless it topped Camaro offers of 67,940, which were down 6.6%. The primary Bullitt off the line is relied upon to be unloaded January 19th, with continued setting off to the Boys Republic Young Men's School in California that Steve McQueen went to and his family keeps on supporting. The primary Mustang Bullitt was in 2001 with preferable power and giving over the GT of the day. It returned in 2008 and again in 2009. The last group was a constrained keep running of 3,000 units controlled by a 4.6-liter 3-valve V8. The 2018 Mustang lineup has a 2.3-liter direct infusion turbocharged 4-chamber EcoBoost motor that produces 310 strength and 350 pounds-to-foot of torque on 93-octane fuel.